the first food that I'm going to talk to you guys about are pancakes.
Oh, so good.
So, can you raise your hand if you've had a pancake before? There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, esto no es.
All right, a few of you have had them. Very good.
No necesita.
All right, so pancakes are a breakfast food here. We eat them in the morning. They're made from mixing flour, sour milk, eggs, and a few other ingredients all together into a batter. And then we fry them over the stove on a hot pan. And they're like a very sweet and spongy bread. So very sweet bread is sort of what they're like. Okay? And you can put basically anything on your pancakes. I like to put fruit on my pancakes, like blueberries, strawberries. Sometimes we put bananas in our pancakes. You can also make them very sweet with syrup and whipped cream. And sometimes we even put chocolate chips in our pancakes. Something that we eat with our pancakes a lot is also scrambled eggs. So eggs mixed up and fried in a pan, and bacon. And that's a very common breakfast food that we have here.
Teacher, pan sería como una sartén.
What?
Que si pan, como lo dice Rebekah, sería como una sartén o una...
Yes. Next one?
Next, yep.
Great.
All right, peanut butter sandwiches. So these are food that we eat during lunch. We eat these a lot. If I can't think of anything to eat for lunch, I will just make a sandwich. And so it's just 2 pieces of bread with whatever you want on the inside. How many of you make sandwiches? Have you guys had? Yeah? Good.
I love peanut butter.
So my dad takes a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with him to work every day for the past 20 years. He's had sandwiches all the time. Now, but you can make any type of sandwich you want. You can put meat in it, very thin sandwich meat, in with cheese and lettuce and tomatoes. You can do peanut butter and bananas. My mom sometimes does peanut butter and honey in her sandwiches. And we eat those for lunch. All right.
Ooh.
All right.
Chicken.
Grilled chicken. How many of you like chicken? Do you guys like chicken?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
I like chicken.
Yes.
Yeah, I like chicken too. So we usually have grilled chicken for supper. During the night, we'll eat grilled chicken with mashed potatoes or beans or sometimes rice. If it's during the summer, when it's warm out, my dad will grill it outside. But if it's during the winter, my mom will bake it in the oven. And let me see. But we eat grilled chicken all year long, basically. It's a very basic meal. If my mom doesn't know what to cook, if she can't think of something special to make, she can always just make grilled chicken.